Hello! Welcome back to another video with ESL Universe. My name is Kalita, and now that we've finished the short vowel sounds, I'm excited to move on to the long vowel sounds. The long vowel sounds are actually much easier to say than the short vowel sounds because most people already know the correct pronunciation. When we teach children the long vowel sounds in English, we say that the letters say their own name. This means that the name of the letter that you say when reciting the alphabet is exactly the sound that you hear when saying the long vowel sound. Today's letter is the long A sound, so let's use that as an example. If I say the keyword for the long A sound, table, you can hear the letter A being said in the word. Table, A. This process works the same for any letter that uses the long vowel sound. If you break down the word into its pieces or think through the sound that you are actually making, they will reflect the name of the letter that it is saying. So, now that we know the sound that the long A makes, let's explore the mouth position a little bit more. The long A sound actually combines two sounds together, meaning that our mouth has to move in the middle of the sound to make it correctly. To start, drop your jaw down and open your lips so that they are open and wider than normal. Your tongue should be pushed forward slightly towards the front of your mouth, but it stays in a relatively neutral position. Then, while making the sound, close your jaw slightly, keeping your lips wide, but moving your tongue up with the lower jaw until it gently touches the bottom of your upper teeth. This sounds like a lot of instructions for a sound that may be quite familiar for you. So, if the long A sound is one of the sounds that you have already mastered, focus more on the practice of the sound than on the instructions for making the sound. Before I give you a bunch of practice words, I do want to point out that unlike the short vowel sounds, long vowel sounds can come at the beginning, middle, or end of a word. Not only that, but there are quite a few ways that long vowels can commonly be spelt. Let's look at this for the A sound. The first one is with the A, then a consonant, followed by the bossy E. Remember that if the E wasn't there, generally we would pronounce it as a short vowel, but the silent E rule means that the pronunciation changes to a long A. For example, cake. The other common spellings are AI as in wait, AY as in play, or EIGH as in ate. Less common spellings of the long A sound include an A alone as in April, EY as in they, EI as in rain, or even EA as in break. Let's look at some practice words. Acorn, apron, agent, eight, age, aim, able, Asia, angel, eight, baby, train, awake, grape, bake, came, paid, mail, name, tomato, day, away, play, way, essay, display, pay, stay, they, may. Notice that as you practice a specific sound, it gets easier and easier to pronounce correctly. Let's try a sentence featuring the long A sound. They may be able to play today after they bake a grape cake. They may be able to play today after they bake a grape cake. Excellent work! I'm excited to continue learning the long vowel sounds with you over the next couple of weeks. If there is something else that you are interested in learning, please make sure that you comment below so that I can make a video on that topic for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure you practice reading with my blog every week. See you later!